That's not cool, bro. Not cool at all. Alright guys, so the last time you saw this car is in a little bit different condition than it is now. You remember I pulled the K-member out and we were going to do a 5-lug swap and get the motor in with the new K-member. And now we are down to pretty much bare bones and frame here. Rodney pulled the fenders off, and once pulling the fenders off to make room to work on this thing, he found this rust spot. That's not cool, bro. Not cool at all. I was getting in the car somehow, somewhere, so we're gonna have to patch this. And we were wondering, since it's all the way through into the cab here, how bad the rust actually was. So we also noticed on this side, on the driver's side here, the rust was through to here. As you can see, that's light coming from outside the car that's not supposed to be here. So we found rust over here too, and then found rust in the floorboard. So Rodney pulled the seats out, and boom, big old rust holes right through the rear floorboards. Both sides. The other side had previously been patched, actually. You'll see Rodney removing that coming up here shortly. And so, as you can see, this side has been cut out. There's a new floor pan in place that we're prepping to get welded in and repair that side. And then we're going to be moving on to patching this side and going from there. So, from coyote swap to full restoration in the course of a week or two.
Bye, Felicia. Got rid of that hat. No bueno, guys. It's okay, we're gonna fix it all. Little hole up here in the front. Not too bad. Front looks really good.